Welcome to Weaverville. We want to show you this affordable house under $450,000. It was pre-approved for USDA loan. Also, you can get FHA, VA, or conventional. This house has 1,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This listing was presented by Jennifer Ritchie Eller with Trillium Real Estate Agency. So let's go inside and see this beautiful house. We walk in right to the living room and open plan kitchen. There is a laundry next to the kitchen and 1 bedroom on the left. Let's go see the bedroom first. This bedroom has awesome closet and bathroom. Such a spacious bathroom with 2 sinks. Shower curtain is missing. You can choose yours, whatever you want. Nice linen cabinet. It's very bright and spacious. Electric panel in bedroom. Can't open it. We can cut it. So welcome to this nice new kitchen. White cabinets with soft closing. Beautiful granite. Look at this fancy refrigerator. It has ice dispenser. So LG microwave and LG electric stove. Just a lot of cabinets. You probably can put chairs on the other side to have breakfast with the family. I did introduce you my videographer today, Tatyana Edwards.
Hello, everybody.
This nice porch features a view of the mountains, North Carolina. And roofs of a lot of neighbors.
It's a very cute neighborhood.
And
They
we're
look like
on top,
birdhouses, and we're in the top level
so we can see everyone.
of the birdhouse views. I love it. I love the colors. I like how they're made. So you have the red and gray and white, and then brown. And this one is white with brown. A huge variety.
Let me check what's in this closet. Oh wow, nice big walk-in closet.
Right under the stairs.
You can put a lot of stuff. We all have a lot of stuff.
Nice big living room.
2 windows. Everything new, smells good. Upstairs has a carpet and carpet stairs, so it's safe for you. Meet you there. So second floor has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, 1 closet, second closet. Sorry. So they protect carpet with this plastic, so it will be all new when you buy it. Big walk-in closet. Look at the view from this bedroom.
But you can see the mountains there.
But here is the only bathroom on the second floor. How do you call these floors? It's not tile.
It's a vinyl tile, and it has a standard shower that's been put in. Also
Is
got
this,
a window.
Waterproof floor, do you think?
I am, to be honest, not sure. I would say it is waterproof because it is vinyl, but I can't say 100%. I do love their stonework in their cabinets. And they're all soft close and tall.
And one more bedroom on the left.
And one more bedroom. It has 2 sets of windows. I guess you can call this as a walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Because I can walk in it. And it has a nice shelf that can also be utilized for something.
So this is big place for at least queen size bed. So
It's a decent sized room, yes.
So tell us, what do you think about this house? I would call this house as affordable because it's USDA approved, and you can get VA loan or FHA loan or just conventional, or if you have cash, pay with cash. So we can be your buyer's agent. Call Edwards Realty, and maybe you have questions, so you can ask us.